Friends, here we have this IC station module. This is 13825. 13825 is the code number for this one, ordering code, and this has been sent by IC station. Here I'm opening it. So this one is, you can see, this is a Bluetooth module. What is its name is DC 5 volt MP3 wireless Bluetooth audio receiver module, lossless decoder, version 4.1 for DIY speaker, compatible with Android, iOS. The regular price for this module is $4.89, whereas they are offering $3.67. And also you can contact them for wholesale prices, and also you can use a discount code. The discount code will be available for you in the description section. You can take special discount from the company, as you are my viewers and subscribers. So this one is, and this has some specifications which are given over here on their website. And these specifications, what they are telling is the supply voltage is 3.7 to 5.7 volt DC. The current for this one is 23 milliampere to 30 milliampere. Bluetooth name is BM3. Wireless range for this one is 3 to 12 meter. The effective range, and Bluetooth version is 4.1, of course. The size is 66 and 8 millimeter. The height is 8 millimeter somewhat, the thickness, and 66 is the length and breadth. So this module, beautiful module, you can see, and you can run this module out of this power supply, your regular charger power supply. And they have given here the micro USB, and this charging port can fix very easily to this module. Here you can see this has been fixed now, and if I will power it up, so it will show the status indicator over here. And this is of course stereo, LR, and ground is here. These are here, over here, and we will connect a speaker, and I will show you the whole process, how it works and how is the sound. I will play it back to you. Let continue with this video. So here I'm disconnecting it from the power, and now it's disconnected, and I will do the soldering job, and then later on I will show the rest of the process. So here I will introduce these three wires, two for left and right. So you can see here is the left and here is the right. So two wires, I will put them in over here, and the rest will be for the ground, one wire. So here I will solder it. These three connections only, these three wires you have to solder for the speakers or for the amplifier. This circuit has no amplifier contained, only the Bluetooth is contained over here. So you will have to connect an external amplifier. The amplifier version is there. I will introduce that also sometimes with you from the same IC station. But this is for the people who are connecting their own amplifier with, so for them it is okay. Just I will press them wires over here, and then I will connect a speaker over here, an amplifier, what I mean, from the speaker. So these wires I will have to scrap the insulation, and now I will connect a speaker over here. This is what you can see is my amplifier speaker. It had contained amplifier inside, and now it is switched on and to the full volume. And here is its input. So if I will touch it, it is giving beep. So I will connect the negative or the ground wire first over here on this inner portion of this male connector, because I'm not going to cut it for sure. I will use this in my regular system, so that's why I'm not cutting it. And one for the L channel, don't short circuit anything. Now you can see two wires are connected on the signal and one for the ground. And now I will power this up. So now this has been powered up. Now I will take my mobile phone and I will play some video or audio and select my Bluetooth and I will show. Now as you can see, I connected this amplifier speaker to the circuit, and now we are powering this up, and then I will connect it to the cell phone Bluetooth. Here it is showing that it is switched on now. Now you can see another cell phone. I'm going to connect it to the Bluetooth, and here I will switch it on. Now you can see BM3. So to the BM3 I will pair it. Now it is pairing and it will need a password. Now we are going to BM3 and it is connected. It is showing connected. Its password is 1688. So now we are going to our music library, and this is of course free music. So I will play one of the track over here. Now we are connected and you can listen this music on this speaker. Now I am reducing the volume control. Now you can see I can control from this phone Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth is coming over here. So now I'm increasing and reducing. So this was. Hope you like this circuit. If you like it, give a big thumbs up, subscribe on my channel and press on the bell icon and then on all, so then you will get my notifications on each upload. IC Station products are good, they're reliable, they're working and they're cheap. Thank you for watching.